Sometimes, when things are falling apart, they may actually be falling into place. A winner is a dreamer who never gave up. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. To win big, you sometimes have to take big risks. You do not find the happy life, you make it. For every minute you are angry, you lose 60 seconds of happiness. Keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see a shadow. You are enough just as you are. Whoever is happy will make other happy. Life is like a bicycle. To keep your balance, you must keep moving.